in this question, YZ, XT are altitudes. Altitudes means they are perpendicular. This is triangle sign, triangle WXY intersecting at P. So as you can see, both the altitudes are intersecting at one point, that is P. Prove that quadrilateral WZPT is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is our first part of the question. Now, in order to prove that WZPT is a cyclic quadrilateral, we will use a property of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. For example, it is already mentioned that XT is perpendicular on WY. This is already given. If XT is perpendicular on WY, so I can say angle PTW is of 90°. Angle PTW, I am talking about this angle because this XY is perpendicular on WY. Same way, YZ is perpendicular on XW. Again, this is given. So here I can say angle WZP is of 90°. So angle PTW plus angle WZP is equals to 90 plus 90, which is 180°. And if you see angle PTW and angle WZP, so here we are talking about these two angles, this one and this one, and they are opposite angles of quadrilateral WZPT. So one pair of opposite angle is supplementary. Now I can say angle PTW plus angle WZP plus angle ZWT plus angle ZPT is of 360. Sum of all angles in a quadrilateral. WZPT is a quadrilateral and sum of all four angles should be 360°, where sum of these two angles is 180 here. So these two can be replaced with 180 plus angle ZWT plus angle ZPT is 360. Now I can keep angle ZWT on its place and angle ZPT. 360 on the other side of the above equation, and this 180 can be taken to the right hand side. So since it is positive 180 on the left hand side, it will become negative 180. So this way angle ZWT plus angle ZPT is again 180 degree. So here sum of these two angle is 180 and sum of these two angle is also 180. And if you see these pairs are opposite angles. Here ZWT and ZPT are opposite angle. These are two angles, ZWT and ZPT, which is 180 degree. And if sum of opposite angle is supplementary, we can say the given quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here we can infer or we can conclude. Therefore, here you can consider this is equation 1 and this is information number 2, and we can say therefore quadrilateral WZP is a so here we can say in quadrilateral WZPT opposite angles are supplementary. So therefore, if opposite angles are supplementary, so we can say quadrilateral WZPT is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this way we can prove that WZPT is a cyclic quadrilateral. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now second part of the question, point XZTY are cone cyclic.